Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: router SSID, password, and whether the device needs 4 GHz. Once done, power the smart device and place it close to the router to ensure strong signal during initial pairing. Open the manufacturer app and sign in. The app often walks you through setup because it negotiates credential exchange securely. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is on and any VPNs are off, since the app must communicate directly with the device over the local network. You now follow the app prompts to choose the correct SSID and enter the Wi-Fi password. The app may request Bluetooth or location access to detect the device. Grant that temporarily so pairing can complete. The device will often signal success with an LED change or chime within 1 minute. Watch it closely. Once connected, name the device and assign it to a room so automations make sense. Make sure to allow and install firmware updates now, because they fix bugs and improve security. You finish by testing the device in the app and, if configured, with your voice assistant. Check responsiveness and routine triggers so automations run reliably. If pairing fails, reboot the router and the smart device, then attempt pairing again. Use the device's AP or setup mode if available. Make sure the router isn't hiding SSID, blocking the device via MAC filtering, or forcing 5 GHz only. Many smart devices require 4 GHz. If problems persist, temporarily disable guest networks and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.